Hi everybody. Today I'll be trying out two new products that I've never tried before. The first one will be the Madison Reed Radiant Hair Color Kit. This kit was 50% off at Ulta, so I decided to try it. I got shade 5NA Dark Ash Brown, which should be very close to my natural hair color, hopefully. This kit is free of ammonia, parabens, resorcinol, PPD, phthalates, and gluten. And I like the fact that it comes with everything that you need. You get the color and the activator, you get the gloves, the cap, the barrier cream, cleansing wipe, and a packet of shampoo and conditioner. Okay. And then also, I'm going to be trying out this new flat iron from Duvolle. It's their Impulse Professional Flat Iron. Duvolle sent this to me to try out for you guys. And it has tourmaline ceramic plates, high performance heating element for even heat. It has negative ion technology that gives hair more shine and less frizz, instant heating and variable temperature settings, infrared heat technology, and lightweight body with an ergonomic soft touch grip. There's the flat iron right here. I haven't used it yet, but I'm excited to try it. Because I'm still on the hunt for the perfect flat iron. I haven't found one yet since my Sadu died on me a while back. Okay, this one has the plates. The tip is rounded right here. The plates fit nicely together, so that's good. But first I'm going to apply my hair color. Let's take it out and show you what's in here. There it is. Madison Reed. We believe in integrity, innovation, and love for you and for your color. We believe in a better way, and we believe in beautiful, naturally healthy-looking hair. Madison Reed color that cares, color with a cause, and color with confidence. We are the fabulous future of hair color. Now, I hope so, because regular price, this is pretty expensive. But, like I said, I got it half off, so I'll be trying it out. These are the instructions. And this is everything that comes in the kit. Cleansing wipe, barrier cream, shampoo and conditioner, there's the cap, and the gloves. and the color and developer. So I'll be back after I've colored my hair with the Madison Reed. I'll give you my thoughts on it, and then I'll try out the flat iron. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done with the hair color, and I blow dried my hair. I really like this. There's no smell to it. It did a great job of covering the gray. My hair feels soft and healthy. It's really a good product. I like this a lot. So when I find it on sale again, I'll get another one. Full price, I don't know. But when I find another sale, I'll make sure to get another one of these. The shampoo and conditioner in it are very nice too. Okay, so now on to the flat iron. I'll plug it in and we're gonna get started on this. There it is. This strip right here inside of it is where the far infrared light comes from. It's on one side, right there. And the cord swivels, so it won't get tangled up, You know how annoying that is if you've ever used a flat iron with a cord that doesn't swivel. I like that the handle part is slimmer than the barrel. It fits in my hand much easier. A lot of flat irons are the same width all the way down, but this one, it has a narrow handle, which is good. It feels good in my hand. All right, so let's turn it on. There's a little switch in here that says on and off. You press it, it comes on, and then you can adjust the temperature like that. I set it to 360. I don't know if you can see the little numbers, but it has numbers up here. So I set it to 360 for my hair. But it goes all the way up to 450. It starts at 270, goes to 310, 360, 410, and 450. Okay. It only took a few seconds to heat up. So now it's ready. So now it's ready. I normally start in the back of my hair, but since I'm doing this on camera, I'll start on the side so we can both see how it works. And the instructions say to not go too fast through the hair. They said one slower pull through the hair is much better than several quick ones. Less damaging, and you get a better result. So let's see how this works. Oh. Wow. It looks silky and it's added some shine. Nice. As you may know, I've been on a hunt for a new flat iron for a while now. Since my Sedu flat iron died eventually after about 10 years. I've tried several ones. I bought one from Chi. It was kind of harsh on my hair, but my daughter liked it, so I gave it to her. And then I bought the croc, the one that's supposed to be shaped like a crocodile's mouth, I guess. And that one, the plates didn't close all the way. See, when I squeeze the handle with this one, the plates close all the way. With that one, the plates didn't quite close all the way, so I would have to squeeze it hard to try to get the plates to touch. And it was kind of harsh on my hair too, so I didn't care for that one. I had gotten that one on sale at Ulta, And then I bought another one from Nordstrom Rack. It was on sale. It was this bridal, like a bridal type flat iron. It's really pretty, and it came with a beautiful hair clip and, you know, some little extras. It was nice. But after a while, this is it. This comes off. And this happened, you know, relatively soon after I had it, maybe a couple of months or so. And then my daughter was using it, and she had some red hair dye in her hair, and it stained it, so it's not pretty anymore. It still works. It works fine, but this is very annoying. I like that the Duvolle one does not have anything separating right here. It's all one piece. So there's nothing to come off and start sliding down. So that's a plus. Oh, I like it. I like the way my hair looks with this. Okay. So far, so good. Okay. And it feels soft too. All right, so I'm going to continue on and finish up, and then I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, I'm done. And I really like this flat iron. You can see how it made my hair so shiny. And it's smooth. The plates glided right through my hair. No tugging, no pulling or anything like that. No catching. And did a good job with just one pass. Also, I noticed as I was using it, it has these little ridges right here that hold it up off of the surface when you sit it down, so that the hot plates don't touch whatever you're sitting it down on. I thought that was a really good idea too. It seems to be really well made. And I do have a code in the description if you're interested in trying it out, if you need a new flat iron. And the code will save you 70% off of their regular price. I'm really glad that they reached out to me at this particular time, because I did need a new flat iron. And I have a really good one now, so I'm happy about that. So that's my review of the Madison Reed hair color and the Duvolle Impulse Professional Flat Iron. Thank you for watching. Bye.